Da Nang and good morning. We are here in the Le Quan Dao Street and Antung 29, and I think there are some new restaurants in the street, but we're gonna actually walk to the beach. So the beach is the place we have to check out. How is the water now? How's the water? It's the third or fourth day of beautiful sunshine. The water should be like immaculate. Wow! This is also a very interesting place, guys. Yeah.
Look at this, they have avocado coffee.
I mean, this is very weird.
Cinnamon egg.
But this here is good, guys. Peanut butter coffee. It is, I mean, you cannot go wrong. Only if you have peanut allergy. Then maybe it go wrong, huh?
Yeah, it's very delicious.
Yeah, it's a nice, bushy, jungly coffee shop. Nice. Trattoria da Stefano. Traditional Italian cuisine. All right. You should always try out, go in and ask for pizza Hawaii. And if they give you a slap, then it's a good Italian.
Yeah, it's a real Italian.
Yeah. And then I would go eat there. You know what? I have to try out this espresso here one time. I think because their Siebträgermaschine is pretty legit, I think. Right?
And this, how old is it? 2 years, 3 years now?
Yeah.
So
I remember this is the place you lived, right?
Yes.
Sweden Hotel before. But yeah, so here you always have to be very cautious about this. Don't do this. Don't do it like these people. Don't leave your helmet here out. This is Emma's helmet got stolen here, and they even have a sign out there: bring your helmet in.
Yes.
Because there are helmet thieves. I don't know why, but I saw one time on Facebook the police raided a place, and there was this guy, I think a local, and or at least he was Vietnamese, and his whole apartment was about 500 helmets. Bro, what do you want to do with those? They're so cheap. I don't understand. Maybe it's a fetish. I don't know. I cannot see how it is profitable to steal helmets. They are so cheap and oh, grüß Gott. Look at this. This is our youngest viewer on our German channel. He's 21 years old. I can't believe it. Windreads. My old barber will not go back.
Oh, look at this. Almost finished.
Yeah, at some point I will just hire a personal barber. You know, I would just give him a salary, and he has to come always to me. This has to be, because I'm a little bit annoyed with these barber shops. There's a laundromat here, the Hummer Hotel, and this is the part of Sicilia. It's like the second building. And the weird thing is, so this is a part of Sicilia, right? They closed this down. You can only enter on the other side. Now, this is not Sicilia. This here is Golden Lotus Luxury. So it is like an L-shaped form. So you have the Sicilia is L-shaped. Very interesting, guys. Maybe it's not, but I think it's interesting.
But listen to the construction.
Yeah. So we met a lovely family today in the coffee shop, and they told me they're staying in Sicilia. They like it, but they said it's also loud after 7. But they're waking up early, so that's good. But as you can see on here, this is the noise level at the moment. I can hear lots of jackhammering over there. Yeah, something going on over here. It's kind of crazy. Yeah. I mean, this building will take time. So if you stay in Sicilia, be prepared for that. But it's very hard to avoid construction noise at the moment, guys. They made this higher. You're not that tall, bro. It was like at least one whole head between.
Fake news.
You know what? See ya, Marcus. Bye bye.
Yeah, bye bye.
I go to the beach, guys. My God. I have to do some water quality check. Yeah! How you doing, John?
We're in the wild, baby.
Baby!
Summer is here, man.
It's funny, we met 3.5 years ago when I was doing a vlog on the
Yeah.
way to the beach.
Yeah.
And now it's back, huh?
Yeah, man.
How's your baby?
The little steed, she's strong, man.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right, guys, let's continue. That was John. Good to see. And he was like, bro, I've never seen the city so full. I think John is like here for a long time. He only left Da Nang because of COVID at some point, but he was there before. And then he had to go out because everyone in Vietnam had to leave, right? Everyone who did 90-day visa runs, I think Americans had a different type of visa back then. If I'm not wrong, there was a visa for Americans back then, like a 1-year visa on arrival or something where you pay. I'm not 100% sure, but I heard that a little bit from the Americans. But they removed that, and then during COVID, no one was able to get a visa. So everyone who did visa runs, they were immediately blocked out of the country, locked out of the country. So keep that in mind. If something bad happens in the world, like COVID or something, and you are on visa runs, you might not be able to go home because that's just reality. You don't have a long-term visa, so you cannot stay. It's why it's hypothetically Vietnam, if you don't immigrate correctly, it's not a place to move to be honest. Unless you have Vietnamese wife or do a business or invest. But I think a lot of people could easily do the investment path, in my opinion. Like, if I just think about all the prices in the West with the houses, if you sell your house, you could easily invest here. Young ladies, you cannot walk over the green here. My God. Now I have to give a ticket. Okay, guys. Let's check out the beach. Let's check out the beach, guys. It looks good. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna ask him, the guy from Maya, what is going on with the beach. But the water is perfect, guys. Check this out. It is rough, guys. But the Maya beach part is also wide, more wide now. It is blue, it is nice, but it is still rough. So keep that in mind. But as you can see, it recovered. Either way, it recovered or they did something. But the Maya beach is getting more wide now again. That's a good sign. That's a good sign, guys. I'm gonna ask him real quick. Guys, we take a stroll here now. People are working here even. I think they even have Wi-Fi here. I thought I'm seeing now Glenn, but I did not see him here yet. So I asked the owner of Maya what he did so the beach is back, and he said he prayed to God. Since he's Italian probably, maybe he's closer to him, so yeah. So with the help of God, the sand came back. That's what he said. Amen. Yeah, it looks good. It is, people are in the water, but it is still rough. And I feel like it is very refreshing. It is a beautiful color and it looks clean, so I think it's good. I think it's very good. The beach also here, I'm very happy. This is crazy. Just look at 2 weeks ago or 1 week ago, I did a video when I almost couldn't walk here because there was sandbags securing the Maya Beach Club. Crazy, right? It's insane. Yeah, but it looks nice. I mean, the colors and everything. The blue sky just changes the whole mood of the beach here. People are out here. It is crazy to me what a difference 1 week is doing. Like last week, it was rainy, it was empty, right? Just look up my video. And now everyone is out again. This is just crazy. But yeah, yesterday, no, 2 days ago, no, yesterday, no, 2 days ago, I was at Anbang Beach and it was crazy full there too. But to be honest, Anbang Beach, if you like island vibe, beach, slow, slow life, like island vibe, very natural environment, go to Tulum Beach, man. I feel like it's so much more calm and it's way more vacation-y. It's very busy though, but it feels more like a vacation. Here, you always have a little bit the feeling of being in a city because the street and everything is closed. But in Hoi An, everything is slow, it's just like a hippie paradise, I would say. And it feels very good. We were sitting out there and we were like, damn, we're eating a bowl of noodles on the beach, a coconut, and it's like $3 or something. And it looks nice. Like maybe I can put some footage in here. That's just crazy how good that was. Anbang Beach, always great, but it's busy. But if you like it alive and nice beach, the only negative thing about Anbang Beach is the beach vendors, they're a little bit annoying. They're coming here, it's not really allowed, I think. So you cannot solicitate here. But yeah, this is a little bit an update here on this beach club. And we're gonna also check out the other one. It's gonna be a proper roof over there. Very interesting, guys. I think they're gonna be done very soon. I could imagine this will be done in 1 month or something. Maybe 2. Maybe 1. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? And while you're checking the comments, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, guys. It's not that busy here, right? Check this out. Look how empty this beach part is. Huh. Interesting. So this is still a little beach stand. You can still get beach beer here. Oh, look at this. What will this be? Yes, it will be a restaurant, not a spa. This is very exciting. This is gonna be very exciting, guys. I have no idea the name, but it looks very pretty and I'm very happy they do something with that. That was like just an abandoned building. And I'm really wondering when they're gonna finish this. This should be apartments, guys, and a mall. Isn't this enough? Enough tourism to say, okay, I'll blast in few millions in there? Maybe it's like even more to finish it. But it's always already standing, you know? Oh, surfers. Look how many surfboards there are. That's a nice vibe here. The thing is, if you're closer to the water, you don't feel this noisy street. The noisy street you feel only when you walk here. But if you're in there, it kind of feels good. Now, last time when I made a video here, it was like raining the days before. Now let's see how the drainage system looks right now. Remember, there was like very filthy water over there. And what it is now, it's still there, guys. It still takes a little bit. It's still here. Ooh. But it will be vaporized away soon. Maybe it smells so bad. Okay. I guess it needs a little bit more time to cook. Oh, it smells so bad. Old jet skis here. Now let's check out the next beach club here. And you know what? They built a wall. Nice. I think it's gonna be a wall. I guess. Maybe not. Maybe it's not gonna be a wall. Maybe, I don't know what it is. But they did something brand new here. They laid the foundation for maybe a big roof, maybe a stylish wall. Dude, this is amazing. I'm so excited about this place, when this will open. The Kala Kala Beach Club is over there and it's operating and it's busy and everything. But this will be very interesting. I'm just wondering what they will do with that. They need to do something with that too. But they do actually. They removed the wood panels on the outside. I think they will either way renovate it or I don't think they demolish it. But guys, it looks good. Exciting, guys. Very exciting. I'm super excited. Ha. Rest in peace, Dana Beach. It's not going to be the case anymore. Probably another name, or maybe it's still the same and they just renovated it. We will find out on this channel, definitely. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Check out this video here. This beautiful piece of content here. Wow, thank you so much. See you in the next vlog.